Good day, everyone. We have come online today based on our social responsibilities during this COVID-19. We have 5 members in our group in the person of Aribigola Damilola Solomon. We have Mr. Babatunde Adetu Eyed. We have Mr. Osaenye Onyeka Matthew. We have Mr. Ashaolu Adedoyin Oladapo. And we have Mr. Onyenede Ido Ikechukwu Augustine. This our group have come online to present our social responsibility based on this COVID-19. As we all can see that during this pandemic, this COVID has affected a lot of lives. Many people have lost their lives. Many people have lost their businesses. Many people have gotten mental illness, depression. So we have come online today to give a protective measurement on how to take care of our mental health during this COVID. Number 2, we have come online to tell people how to take care of their personal hygiene during this COVID, and we have come online again to let people know how to manage their finances during this COVID. As we can see, while researching into the COVID-19 virus is ongoing, we know the virus is spread mainly when respiratory droplet of an infected person, which is generated through coughing, sneezing, talking, singing. When it gets into the mouth, nose, or eyes of people who are nearby. We also know that people can be infected and spread the virus to others, even without having any symptoms. People may also become infected by touching their mouth, nose, or eyes after touching surfaces contaminated with the virus. The virus may survive on surfaces for a few hours up to several days. But the good news is simple disinfectants. Thank you. That is the introduction aspect.
Hello. Yeah, my name is Ashaolu Adedoyin. Yeah, I'm here to talk about how to take care of our personal hygiene during COVID-19. Simple hygiene measurements can help protect your family, health, and everyone else. By not touching your face, avoid touching your eyes and nose and mouth. Do not cough or sneeze into your hand by covering your mouth and nose with your elbow or tissue paper when you are coughing or sneezing. Dispose of tissue paper immediately. Yeah, and by keeping distance from each other at least 1 to 3 meters from people outside your household. Yeah, with this, you can keep yourself safe and family safe. Social responsibilities, we already tried to distribute hand sanitizer and mask to people around our household here in Malaysia and back home in Nigeria, just to save the community from this deadly virus. Thank you.
Mr. Matthew, please, can you on your mic?
Yeah, good afternoon. I'm here to talk about the mental health during this COVID-19. As we all know, this pandemic has been a stressful one, and have given fears and anxieties to our communities and our countries and the whole world and at large. People are now being isolated, uh, being quarantined, being indoor because of the spread of this disease. And the control measurement on this that we are able to pass information, go to different hospital and different organization to let people know and be aware of this deadly disease and how to take care of mental health. One, they need to one constant make sure you wash your body, take care of your bodies, and keep your social distances. Uh, as in being reduce hands from alcohol to drug intake and more value. We see advise people how to use offline, how to use offline as well. In the morning, boil it in the water, and you can drink and take some healthy vitamins that can make your body and your mental health be more standard and healthy. In the just of this, it has reduced many people's job as well in the societies. So, but we were able to cope on this, but we believe that with the help of the World Health Organization and the people at large, take care of this deadly disease in our society today. Thank you very much.
My name is Onyededi Kechukwu Augustine. I'm here to present the social responsibility concerning how to manage finance during COVID-19. As a social responsibility, the government needs to donate palliative to the public for their own personal use. And also as a member and a group, we need to contribute money to support the society so that there will not be much of hunger on them. Doing that, we need to have real access to our own art book and plans. We need to stay informed and stay safe concerning the finance, especially when sufficient finance changes that may necessary. The fourth, we need to adjust our budget. Adjusting in our budget is arguably the most important step in creating a budget regularly assignment. As a responsibility, as a social responsibility, we give the public a little bit of help in finance to help them in a way so that they will not be lack anything they need and so that they will not be in hunger. Examine our relationship with debt. Right now, we might experience more, we must experience more learning and related to debt than we typically would wage. We need to consider investing more for the first time. Thank you.
Well, you have heard so much about so much that we have created and we have contributed to the society in our group. We have been able to extend our help and our hands to our community, home and abroad. Like my colleagues had said, that we have given money to people who had dropped down from the business, people who have been who have lost their jobs. We have helped the hospitals. We have helped people in our communities by distributing masks and sanitizers. We have been able to uh, bring down our social responsibility even far away from people, to help people that they are even far away from us. It is a very gladdening thing to our hearts that by now people have been benefiting from our help as a group, and we are willing to come up with more and more to support the community. And as you can see,
If you scroll down to this video, people have been commenting that we have done a tremendous job to help the community. So thank you for listening to our video, and thank you for giving us your time.
Thank you. Thank you for